Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make creative photos with shadows on EPIK photo editor. So here you need to prepare 2 or 3 of your photo with the different pose. In this case, I'm using Zane photo, and after that you can add another photo here. Just swipe until you find the add photos option and then add the other pose photo like this, and then you can just I'm going to flip it and then I'm going to put it in here. Okay, and then adjust the opacity. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to add another one. Okay, adjust the size, then I'm going to adjust the opacity again, so it'll go like this. Okay, I'm going to go to the main photo. I'm going to go to tools and then crop it, the main photo, so that it will look like this. Okay, and then here you can just go to stickers and then find the font sticker. So here I'm going to go to store and I'm going to find an aesthetic text on sticker. Okay, so the refine here, choose the refine, and then you can just choose the one that you think fits your photo the best. For example, I want to use this one right here, the happy Sunday, and you can adjust it like so. Okay, and you can also add some filters. Here I'm going to use the axis, and then you can adjust it, and here is the before and here is the after. So that is how you can make a creative photos with shadows on EPIK. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.